Cacio Pepe cannellini beans with cavolo nero or any other green. You'll need 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, a good handful of freshly grated parmesan, sea salt, freshly cracked pepper, 400 gram tin of cannellini beans that's been strained, extra virgin olive oil, and cavolo nero or any other green, about a handful or two. Go ahead and roughly chop the garlic. Bring a medium non-stick pan to a medium heat, add a tablespoon of oil, and once hot, pop the cannellini beans in. Roughly chop the cavolo nero or other green into bite-sized pieces. Keep stirring the cannellini beans. They may start to stick to the bottom, so give them a little bit of a push along the pan every now and again. Pop the garlic into the pan and fold through the cannellini beans. And after a minute or two, you can go ahead and add in the cavolo nero or other green. Keep folding the greens through the beans and the heat of the beans will start to wilt those greens. Add in a pinch of salt. Now let's go ahead and freshly grate some Parmesan cheese over the top. Add a squeeze of lemon if you've got some. And I always like to add in some freshly chopped parsley, but you guys can skip this if you don't have it. Once the greens have wilted, really carefully fold all the ingredients together and serve. You can bulk up this recipe as well and do 3 or 4 or 6 times the amount, and it'll keep for 2 to 3 days in the fridge.